Hey everyone, are your Excel formulas not working or showing the wrong results? Yeah, that can be really confusing. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the most common fixes to get your formulas working properly again. So let's dive in. First, make sure Excel is set to automatic calculation. If it's on manual, formulas won't update. Go to the Formulas tab, click Calculation Options, and select Automatic. Then press F9 to refresh the sheet if needed. Next, check the cell format. If the cell is set to text, Excel won't calculate the formula. It will just display it. Select the cell, go to the Home tab, and change the format to General or Number. Then double-click the cell and press Enter. Sometimes formulas don't work because of a hidden apostrophe or space at the beginning. Click the formula bar and check the first character. If you see a single quote or extra space, remove it and press Enter. If Excel is showing formulas instead of results, you might have Show Formulas turned on. Go to the Formulas tab and click Show Formulas to toggle it off. You can also press Ctrl plus the grave accent key to switch it quickly. Now, if you're seeing errors like #NA, #value, or #ref, yeah, that usually means something in the formula is broken. Double check your cell references, ranges, and parentheses. Even a small typo can stop the formula from working. Finally, if nothing else works, try restarting Excel or installing updates. Go to File, Account, Update Options, and choose Update Now. After updating, reopen your workbook and test the formula again. Sometimes that's all it takes. And that's pretty much it. One of these fixes should get your Excel formulas working normally again. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Excel tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.